Hey kids, whenever a math teacher wants you to create an integer number line, make Python cheat one up for you in no time at all, just by creating a simple for loop that starts with a negative integer number that counts backwards to 0 until it counts forward with positive integer numbers, along with a step value of 1. After you run this Python program example, you can highlight and copy, and then paste the contents of the screen output into your math homework. You can create a for loop that can count as many integer numbers you please. You can also increase the step value to make the integer numbers increment by 2, or whatever you like. Experiment with this small Python program example, because sometimes it's the small things that matter the most. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and my channel content about Python programming in general. I am almost a complete walking human computer science research laboratory machine on 2 legs.